Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to send real-time SMS on Webhook response. So here let's suppose I am a customer relationship manager and my job is to keep updating my customers on their mobile phones daily. So here in this case I want as soon as my customers fills my inquiry form that I have already connected using Webhook by Pabbly, automatically using that detail a SMS should be sent to my customer. So here to build this connection I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to learn how to build this connection, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here you can see my website form which I have created using Elementor, and here as I have already mentioned in my introduction that as a customer relationship manager, my job is to make sure our customers or clients get updates instantly on their mobile phones. This includes confirming appointments, notifying them about successful purchases, sending important reminders, or alerting them about successful query received. SMS notifications are a direct and a personal way to communicate these updates. So here in this case I want whenever my customers fill this inquiry form, automatically a SMS should be sent to that customer using an SMS sending application, that is Twilio. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my form with my Twilio account. And here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button that is given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send real-time SMS on Webhook response, and now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link. And by doing this, it will take you to our forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect. So moving back to Pabbly's dashboard. And now here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name send real-time SMS on Webhook response. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select a feature by Pabbly, that is Webhook. And my trigger event as Catch Webhook Preferred, so that whenever a new response is received in this webhook, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And here you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means we are going to use this webhook URL to connect our form with Pabbly Connect. So as I have already told you that I have created my form using Elementor, and as you all know that Elementor is a plugin of WordPress. So here I'm going to connect this form with Pabbly Connect by using Webhook by Pabbly. So for that I'm going to click on this edit with Elementor. And from here I'm going to select my form element. And from here I'm going to click on this actions after submit. And then here I'm going to add an action, that is Webhook. And then after selecting this action, you can see we have received the option for Webhook here. So I'm going to open this. And then here you can see it is asking for Webhook URL. So here to get this Webhook URL, let me take you back to my Pabbly window. And here I'm going to copy this Webhook URL. Moving back to my form. And here I'm going to enter this Webhook URL. Now here after entering this Webhook URL, I'm going to click on this update. And you can see we have successfully updated our webhook. So here I'm going to click on this preview changes. So moving back to our Pabbly window. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to submit a test response in a form. So for that, let me take you back to my form. So here I'm going to enter dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytools.com, and a random phone number. And now here after entering all these details, here I'm going to click on this send. And here you can see it says your submission was successful. So now let's go and check our Pabbly window. And here you can see we have successfully received a response here where we have received all the details such as mobile number, last name, first name and email. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. And here I'm going to select my action application as a SMS sending application, that is Twilio. So here I'm using Twilio as a SMS sending application, but you can use any other SMS sending application as per your need. And now here I'm going to select my action event as send SMS message, so that whenever a new response is captured in Webhook by Pabbly, automatically using that detail, a SMS should be sent to that lead. And now to connect my Twilio with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Twilio account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And here to build a new connection, it is asking for account SID and authorization token. So here to get all these details, let me take you to my Twilio account. So this is the dashboard of my Twilio account, scrolling little down. And here you can see all my account details such as account SID, authorization token and my Twilio phone number. So here I'm going to copy this account SID. Moving back to Pabbly window. Here I'm going to enter the account SID for the both fields. And here for the authorization token, let me take you back to my Twilio account. Here I'm going to copy this token. Moving back to Pabbly window. And here I'm going to enter the token. So now here after entering all these details here, I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward. And now here it is asking for body of the SMS. So here I need to enter the body of the SMS which I want to send to my customer. So this is the body of the SMS which I want to send to my customer, which says, hello, recipient's name. Thank you for your interest in our services. We appreciate you reaching out and look forward to connecting with you soon. Have a wonderful day. Regards, Umang Coolers. So here in the place of recipient's name, I'm going to add the customer's name. So here instead of entering this name manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever a new response is received in our webhook by Pabbly, automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the customer's name. So here I'm going to map the first name only. Moving forward. And now here it is asking for sender's number. So here in the instruction it says the approved sending number in your Twilio account, example this. That means here we need to enter our Twilio phone number. So for that, let me take you back to my Twilio account. And here I'm going to copy my Twilio phone number. Moving back to Pabbly window. And here I'm going to enter the sender number. Now here after entering this sender number, here it is asking for recipient number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this SMS. So for that, here I'm going to map my customer's phone number. And now here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a SMS here. So here I've entered my own number and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. So now let me show you the screenshot of the SMS which I have received on my phone. So this is the SMS which I have received on my phone which says, sent from your Twilio trial account. Hello dummy, thank you for your interest in our services. We appreciate you reaching out and look forward to connecting with you soon. Have a wonderful day. Regards, Umang Coolers. So here you can see my message contained the statement which says, sent from your Twilio trial account. So here my SMS includes this statement because here I am using a trial account. But if you are using a paid account, then this statement will not be included in your SMS. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example. And here to test our automation, we need to submit another response in our form. So for that, let me take you back to my form. And here I'm going to enter another dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytunes.com. And this time I'm going to enter the phone number as my original number so that I can receive a SMS here. So here I've successfully entered all the details and now I'm going to click on this send. And here you can see it says your submission was successful. So now let me show you another screenshot of the SMS which I have received on my phone. So this is the screenshot of the SMS which I have received on my phone, which says, "Hello test, thank you for your interest in our services. We appreciate you reaching out and look forward to connecting with you soon. Have a wonderful day. Regards, Umang Coolers." So here you can see we have received the same SMS body but the different name. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here I've taken my trigger as Webhook by Pabbly and my action as Twilio, so that whenever a new response is received in my Webhook by Pabbly, automatically using that detail, a SMS should be sent to that lead. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clue link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.